I don't truly believe that a relationship can exist simply by two people sharing the same qualities, having fun together, and just unconditional love. While our relationship has all of that and more, I believe that our relationship in marriage is a choice. Every day you choose to love your person for everything that they are and everything that they're not.
Today I make the easiest decision in my life by choosing to marry you. Since day one, our life has come together as it was always meant to be.
Every day I choose you. I choose you because you are selfless, charismatic, passionate, and honest, and all the things that make you my soulmate and my best friend.
We're only getting started, and I can't wait to see where this beautiful life takes us.
But I'll be honest, the main reason I chose to marry you is for the endless amount of Mexican food.
I promise to be your biggest supporter in everything you do. I'm getting more emotional than you. And always be there no matter the situation. And I promise to let you get away with leaving every light on and leaving every cabinet open in the house.
I promise to be your biggest supporter in whichever direction life takes you. I promise to be the person that makes you smile even on your worst days.
I promise to be the perfect structure for our family. I promise to do everything in my power to make you and our family happy.
I promise to give you my whole heart for the rest of our lives, and I promise to love you as long as the stars are above you.
I promise to do my best each day to love you more than I did yesterday. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you for showing me unconditional love for all of these years and for the rest to come. And thank you for giving me the life my 12-year-old self has always dreamt of.
With the blessing of God, it is my pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. You ready?
Come on.
Yep. Marco, you may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Marco and Bailei Olivares.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love.
Okay, this is gonna be pretty short and sweet, otherwise I'm probably gonna break down in the middle of it. Bailei, you look absolutely gorgeous. And I'm very thankful. Marco, love you dearly. That's all I got, I can't get into more.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with
I always knew that Bailei was a special person, even when I didn't know her as well as I do now. She could always make you laugh and always made you feel like you were the most important person in the room. Let's raise our glasses and toast the bride and groom. No more crying tonight, thank you.
It feels like love, yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Yeah.
My name is Chandler. Me and Marco have been best friends since Miss Greg's 3rd grade class. My friend from so many years ago became my brother so quickly, and a second family was born. I honestly can say that of the Olivares family, my name isn't actually Nacho, so